How does the natural decline in NAD plus as we get older connect to the decline in egg quality and ovarian reserve? I mean, you mentioned that it goes down, but
Right.
can you be more specific about how it's connected?
Sure. So for an egg to develop properly, it requires a huge amount of cellular energy. There's a concept, and I don't want to get too deep into the weeds here, but one of the things that makes egg quality decline as women get older and older is that the number of chromosomes in the egg can become abnormal. We normally are supposed to have, right, in our regular body cells, we have 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs. When sperm and egg come together, they each are supposed to have 23. So you put 23 and 23 together, and you end up with a baby that has 46. But in order for those eggs to end up with 23 chromosomes, okay, requires a huge amount of energy. And in fact, remember I said mitochondria is where the energy production occurs, right, in our cells. And the single cell in the human body that has more mitochondria than any other cell is the egg. The egg has more energy production requirements than any other cell in our body. And what happens is, as those eggs get older and older and older, the ability to produce that energy decreases. Why does it decrease? Well, we know one of the things that we can do to help improve energy production in that developing egg is we can supplement coenzyme Q10, right? Because that's part of the energy production process. The molecule that actually starts the energy production process is NAD. And if NAD is declining as those eggs get older and older, okay, energy production is suffering. So if we can restore better energy production in these older eggs, we're going to end up with better eggs. And the way that we do that is by raising NAD levels in the egg, in the follicle, which is where the egg is developing, inside the ovary.